Hello everyone. Like today I'm gonna do like watch list building for the entire weird for the next week. So if you have questions and tickers that you want me to check, feel free to message in chat. Hello Kitty, hello Pictus, hello guys. So I hope you can hear me well. Yeah, hello man. So first of all, as always, we're gonna start with the news. We're gonna check the news, what type of news we're gonna have next week. I also will mark like days when I'm gonna skip trading or like one trade, and etc. So as you can see on Monday, so like first of all, I want to say that I'm trading mostly in Q, DAX, Euro, and Gold. These four assets. I usually don't trade anything else. Sometimes I can trade like Dow Jones, S&P 500, like British Pound, and GBP GPY, and USD GPY. So, and of course like crypto, like BTC, Ethereum. These instruments. So. Let's start with Monday. On Monday we don't have like much news, so probably I'm gonna trade something there. But if you want to trade Mondays, you have to. Oh, hello Daniel. If you want to trade Mondays, you have to like understand like one important thing, that on Mondays we usually have manipulations, and during these manipulations things can get ugly. So you have to be like extremely careful when you trade Mondays. We don't have news, so most likely price action will be good, but you have to understand, if price will go up, I don't recommend it to like open swing positions. Best example from the past week, it was Euro USD. So as you can remember, on Monday, so here we had consolidation, and on Monday it like went down here, Monday, Tuesday, and then price tag went up almost like 1.5%, no, like 2.3%, just like this. So keep this in mind. Like we might have manipulation on Monday. Plus on Friday, and since Friday till hello Hydro, hello, yeah, thank you. Since Friday, by the way, you too. So since Friday to like till now, we have hot phase like with Israel-Iran conflict. So we don't. I personally don't know what will happen like today, like in the evening, like tomorrow. So most likely markets will open with huge gaps. I'm just like doing like my analysis based on what I can see. Regardless, like Tuesday, core retail sales is not that important. GPY, so if you trade like GPY pairs, keep an eye on this news, because it's like kind of important. It's like monetary policy statement for Japan, like from Japan Central Bank. So like regardless, like core retail sales, like I would stay away from the market, but still not bad, not that important. So this news is not that important. So like Tuesday is like green light too, green and orange, like so this is this. Like Wednesday we have CPI from British Pound. Yeah, if you trade GBP pairs, it's kind of important. For me, no. Unemployment claims, not that important, but like what we have is federal funds rate, FOMC economic projection, and then statement and press conference. So Wednesday gonna be hot. So I don't know what will happen during this day. Most likely London will see consolidation. New York session won't be great. I don't know like what they will do with the rates, because inflation data wasn't that bad. So it's kind of like hard. I think they will leave it most likely as it is. If they will increase, market will dive. They have some reasons to increase rates. They have some, but I don't know. So like on Wednesday, most likely I will trade only London session. If I see setup during New York opening, yeah, but most likely not. Thursday, Swiss franc news, not that important, and bank holiday for USD. So for USD we'll have bank holidays and New Zealand bank holidays. Market gonna be slow. So I will trade maybe only like DAX. So like German index, like during London session. So yeah, like mostly from what I can see, it's a chill week. Don't trade Wednesday and don't trade Thursday. Great. So like we have like 2 days to trade. And Friday, what do we have on Friday? Like basically nothing. Consumer confidence is from European Union. So yeah. So Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, 3 days for trading. So I wouldn't trade on Wednesday and I wouldn't trade on Thursday because of holidays. So this is like regardless news. Hello, Salman. Hello. So, what you want me to check first? What do you want me to check first? I guess we're gonna start with DXI, because it's like related to like everything basically, like to gold. It's related to like very accurate by the way, to gold, to Euro USD, GBP USD, to like Nasdaq. So let's start with DXI first. From what like I can see, weekly candle didn't close below here, but we still kind of have like bearish like movement, bearish trend. Nothing changed, so we still have like bearish trend. Tested this like 12 hours forward gap, so yeah, I will think it will keep going lower. So DXI will keep going lower. I don't think we will reverse, but there is a chance that it will reverse only if it breaks. Yeah, it has to break above like these highs. So only this, and it has to be like with a great volume. It has to be with fair value gap. So this is green, but I don't believe in it. So less likely. This will be less likely scenario. Okay, so we'll do like it for premium. No, let's do this. Okay, let's go back. Go on gold. Yeah. Okay. Someone. Okay. So yeah, it's from my lesson. Okay. So let's keep an eye on gold. So regardless gold, if you've been watching my streams for quite a while, and if you've been following me on TradingView, this is my TradingView, by the way. There you go. TradingView. There you go. This is play out perfectly. That's it. Target reached. Fully fix. Rail out perfectly. Yeah, so this played out perfectly. Like exactly I I was thinking it too. Hey, very accurate by the way. Very accurate. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so like for today, what we're gonna do like for like next week. We had liquidity sweep. We still have an uptrend. Internal liquidity been taken. So this internal buy side liquidity been taken. Like next move, in my opinion, would be like all-time high. The question is, will it go there? Because we're going too deep in the premium right now. Have a lot of liquidity in discount. So based on this chart like that I look at on like 4 hours, I would say wait. Plus we have Iran conflict, which can also increase prices like for gold. Like look what happened during Friday. Like price like went up like a shit ton. So like no. No, you can't use like TradingView this way. It's the without premium. Yeah, you can use it, but it's a limited like amount of candles. That's it. So on the gold, let's check weekly bullish. We tested everything. It's capital.com. It doesn't matter. Like I'm talking in general. So yeah, capital.com. Yeah. Liquidity been taken. Have huge order block. Move alert here. The thing is, this liquidity been taken, but we didn't close above like this previous monthly high. I will set alert on all-time high. I don't know like what will happen. I will mark this daily fair value gap as potential target. If we're gonna move high and price will keep going upwards and will break this all-time high and will keep going up, right? So like 4K, like or like 3600, 3500 or something like this. So I don't know. Like I guess we're gonna like test this fair value gap. So this gap is a target, 100%. Plus this order block, this huge one. I want to wait like for Monday. So potential open with a gap, and then like test this fair value gap, right? Or like we opening and then going upwards. The worst case scenario, I will be looking for shorts only if it breaks like down below. So this is like less likely scenario. is daily fair value gap. Daily, right? Daily fair value gap. Lines. So this is like potential move. So this is like potential moves that I expect. So this red one is most likely what will happen. Most likely. Horizontal, it's liquidity lines. So it's a previous monthly high, previous weekly high, previous daily high, daily open. Daily open. I don't know, like if it's need explanation. Like the PDL, previous daily low, weekly open, monthly open, previous weekly low, and this one is previous monthly low. Yes, this is like lines. This is time liquidity lines. So basically, like price like moves to these zones, and then like reverse it. You probably seen many times how previous daily high been taken and then price reverses. Like it happened here, like this one. Well, you can just check. On Monday, gold like went down, took previous weekly low, previous daily low because this daily candle, and look what happened. Not add-ons, it calls like indicators. It's a price action toolkit. This one. Salman, yeah. DXI, what I said about DXI? Still downtrend. No sign of reversal. Yeah, DXI still downtrend. For gold, this one for now. But ideally have to wait for market opening. Okay, next one. Let's go. Let's go Nasdaq, because I think it's important. So it's like what like my friend like visited me like this this week, this holidays that we had in Russia. Like we've been trading together like for 10 years, and we've been talking about like the situations that we have right now like on Nasdaq, and there are like some possibilities, and I don't know like what to expect, like because we're like too deep into premium. Yes, we need all-time high. The problem is we have like this huge zone, this one. It has to be tested. Like I'm gonna open on weekly and you will see it, and also on monthly. So it's a huge inverse fair value gap like from monthly time frame. It's like enormous zone. It's a huge magnet for the price, and I just like don't know like will we get there or no. So from what I can see like on daily, 4 hours, well, in 4 hours, 1 hour, it's a downtrend on 1 hour. It's a downtrend. This church, this is like church or like market shift, call it like whatever you want, and this is a break of structure, classic one. So for me it's a downtrend on Nasdaq, and most likely price will go like this, or we will open with huge gap like 2-3% like this. Yeah, most likely. Yeah, monthly opens and break down and all the way down. It's like most likely scenario for me. Less likely that like price will go like upwards and will go to all-time high. So if we're gonna break like this area, right, it's all the way up. Are you saying logarithm scale or line? Well, I don't understand it because I don't understand it. One second. Okay, so this is like Nasdaq. So this is like gonna be like zone where I will change my mind, regardless. Like, we're going like down or we'll keep going up. So this is a important area of interest. So 21,861. So this is like where I will expect like some. If we get there, I won't be looking for shorts. So for now, I will be. I'm looking only for shorts, all the way down. Man, like, I'm sorry, PXS. I'm not like familiar with this like type of stuff. I don't know. Like, I'm not like tech guy. Okay. Okay. This is stock market. Okay, this is NQ. Okay, one sec. Chart settings, bottom right. I mean, I don't. This one. Price line. I don't know what you're asking. I'm sorry. If you can just send me a screenshot, I maybe will be more help like to you. After liquidity sweep, could you please show from 4 hour to 1 hour, then 50 minutes change of character to make an entry for bullish or bearish trend Like yeah, this is like best like example. Like you have a mess, you have boss. You see like boss, and you see this fair gap. You're marking it. Here you go, right? And you enter position. You wait for absorb. So this is like your entry. If it breaks about like both like this point, it's and don't forget about like premium discount. Here you go. It's exactly in this area. You could have like entered even here with this like stop loss. And this is like your like entry 1 to 2 trade. It's just like outside of like my trading hours. So yeah, I mark this area. Okay, German 40. Same, we still have downtrend already. Like weekly closed super bearish with order block, huge one. So we maybe have a potential test of this order block. It's a bearish order block bottom, and this one order block top, right? So if we jump on the daily, we have favorable gap here. Let's check 3 days. Yeah, huge favorable gap on 3 days. This one, I can remove it. So if we see pullback, it's gonna be like to somewhere here. This one, daily. Yeah, this area, premium discount. So around like here, like this, the zone. If we see pullback, it's gonna be here, and then continuation all the way down till like 22,000. So most likely scenario is this one. This is like two. I will write like two scenario because I don't believe it will go like any higher. It's obviously we have a downtrend, and target like first target gonna be like 22,000 like 600. So like that's it. I don't think it will be something like this. Okay. Hello, Steven. This is DAX. Yeah, this is DAX. Let's do like quick look on the US oil. It's obviously church. I don't want to analyze it like much. I did it on Friday during our lesson, and I said like one thing, guys. You basically don't trade it during like this like hot like period right now. Don't. Like from technical perspective, it will, if it go below 67, it will keep going lower. But right now it's like an uptrend, and it will go like all the way up. How far? Like I don't know. It can go like any direction. So it can be extremely volatile. So better to like just avoid trading oil at all. I hope you can understand it. Euro USD. Let's check like weekly candle. Weekly close bullish. Like we got like a nice uptrend. Most likely it will keep going higher from weekly perspective. Let me just clean it from drawings. Let me do this. Okay, so clean chart. I don't need like any alerts here. Daily, from daily perspective, we have this huge fair gap. Daily fair gap. Most likely it's also in 4 hours. Yeah, it's like everywhere. So what I would expect, push like downwards to this. Yeah, definitely. Manipulation to this forward this forward gap and move upwards. Yeah, so like no doubt, it's kind of clean. The worst case, it will go this, so it means we will have a range here. Green path. Yeah, that's it, like no doubt about it. Do you use Fibonacci retracement? Yeah, for premium discounts. And sometimes I'm using it like to spot like on crypto. I'm using it like to see like how price will go, like if we don't have liquidity from the left side. Okay, let's see. This is euro. Oh yeah, it's kind of clean. It's probably will dive on the news, like 1% is basically nothing. Yeah, something like this. So still have the same thoughts regardless. GBP, British pound. I have only like one path like for it. This red one. Yeah, it's kind of clean. Yeah, probably like okay. Where's yeah. British pound I checked, euro checked, gold, German 40, Nasdaq. Yes, Dow Jones same shit too, like Nasdaq similar, no point to check. Silver. Okay, one guy asked like to check silver. I'm not a fan of silver, but I don't understand its price action. Like I don't have like much experience. Obviously, we'll have an uptrend on the silver and monthly. So regardless, silver weekly fair value gap. It's obviously like an uptrend. So like buy any retracement. That's it. It's like kind of obvious. Yeah, just like buy any retracement. It will be like any dump. Okay, let me write it down to like a guy. What was his nickname? Let me check. Kakashi. Do you also look at footprint charts and I use volume candles. DOM no. DOM is not useful. I tried to use it. I'm tested. It's not. No, it's not. I like this one, volume candles. It's kind of useful. It shows like when we have like a lot of volume. This is useful. Border flow, like what about? No, I don't look at it. I used to when I've been trading stocks, and then it's okay for crypto when you sell in big amount. Then yeah, this is useful. Okay, Salmon. You want me to check USD Swiss franc? It's a lot of news for USD Swiss franc. It's a downtrend, still downtrend. Weekly close bearish. Every zone been tested. Daily. Yeah, it's still downtrend. So shorts most likely. Shorts. Shorts most likely. And what else you asked? USDGPY. Oh, USDGPY. USDGPY. We have equal lows from what I can see. Equal lows. On weekly, everything been tested. Daily, we have sell side liquidity. This one. And this equal lows. This buy side liquidity been taken. 4 hours. It's a range, obviously. This is a range. Yeah, I would expect like move downwards and then upwards, or upwards first then downwards. So like obviously like this liquidity will be taken. So most likely so here from what I can see, move downwards first and then upwards, or like upwards and downwards. But final target gonna be like 140. So like this area has to be tested like 100%. So this is this one. Hello, Emmanuel. Elysium. Yeah, something like this. So like I don't know like how it will go, which path it will take, but definitely will go downwards without like taking 139.5. It won't go higher. It has to go. It has to get there like this. I don't know like how it will go. I don't know. Yeah, probably that's it. I checked everything. Do you have any questions, guys? Do you want me like any other tickets to check? So I checked gold, DXI, Euro, GBP, USD GPY, USD Swiss franc, German 40, Nasdaq. So like all of this kind of stuff. Like BTC and Ethereum. Yeah, BTC and Ethereum. It's still consolidation. So most likely it will go down like 100k, like this area. Like most likely. It showed like it showed like sign of consolidation. On a daily we have February gap. So when we get there it will go down. Yeah, something like this. It's obviously we will go for consolidation. We can go to consolidate for consolidation for like next 2-3 months easily from here. More blood. Yeah, BTC is something like that. I don't believe it will go like upwards. If it will this, it's even worse like scenario. I think we just like test like this February gap and then we'll keep going lower. Does the flux chart monthly plan come with footprint chart and level 2 data? Pixie, I cannot help you with it. You can go to flux charts.com, get instant access, and we have like two plans. I don't know like which, like footprint chart, level 2 data. It's like more technical. No, although I'm like more technical guy. Like I do like charts. I do like analysis, like classes. I educate people, like help like with like strategies, explaining stuff. But like regardless, like product, like I'm not. I don't know like what you're asking. I know like about like footprint, like if you're talking about like volume, right? Footprint chart. Let me see. Footprint chart. It's like volume chart if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a volume chart. Yeah. I don't trade volume this way, so I cannot help you. I'm using I know like vertical spread analysis. Sorry, volume spread analysis. I've been trading like for years, and from what I notice, it's like more valuable on the cryptocurrency rather than on the stock market. So here you go. So like majority of like volume is here. So most likely price will get there, dump, and we'll be consolidating this weekly fair value gap. But footprint, I don't think so. Like we don't offer it. At least like I have access to all indicators. Like I'm using all of them. Like this like Flux chart one. We don't have like anything like this. I think it's honestly like I tried it and you don't need it. What are the blue yellow rectangle you just drew? It's a blue one. This one? Or like this one? This one? I drew like on this rectangle. This is fair value gap. Man, just go to and check classes, okay? No, I don't think Ethereum will get there. Yeah, it's like will be this one. Check if like check class recording sections like from like trend to like last lesson. You will find like a lot of useful information. I probably will do like lesson how to use like TradingView, because majority of the people, they don't understand how to use TradingView and what tools it has. So but we'll see. Yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be here. If you have like some tickers to check, please let me know. Okay, guys, no questions. Then I have to go. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.